Welcome to the club of
senior citizen. O, mamaya nga daw po pupunta na po si Sir para i-process na po yung card niya. Sayang na din daw po kasi yung discount na ma-acquire. Okay? So let's sing a happy birthday. May patugtog ba dyan? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday day to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ikaw si Sir. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Pwede po ba namin invite ng mga restaurant po na pumunta dito para po mag-picture? Kayo lang po, sige, si Engineer CG, ano po pala. Ayun, sige, mamaya ka na lang mag-blow, Engineer. Wow! Picture po. Pakita mo po sa wife ko, sir. Kasi hindi ko po mama chup-chup. Alright, thank you, Engineer. Yes, Papa, pagsalitain naman po natin si Director. Sige po.
Well, salamat po sa lahat na nag-greet. Actually, this seminar was not part of the plan, pero dumating yung point na some of us had to sacrifice our time for being involved in this I don't know how to express this commitment, this new task that we select to be Tagalog, pag-render ng service to the community. Siguro isa ito na sacrifice. Actually, na-plan na yung celebration, pero I had to postpone it because of this seminar. So again, thank you for your greetings. Thank you.
So much, Engineer, and happy birthday to our director. Kasalanan ng CFC. Malaki nag-celebrate sa mga. Sige po, tayo na po tayo and let's have our lunch. So, let's bless the food na po muna. Lord, bless us, O Lord, in these gifts which you are about to receive from the Christ our Lord. Sige po, please fall in line na lang po.